Welcome everybody to another video. This is Flaco from CrypticLand. We have Hussein also. Today we will be revealing our top picks for 2021. Stick around and see why we find them so bullish. Let's get to it.
What's up everybody? This is Cryptic Hussein coming at you guys. Happy New Year's to everybody. We've been seeing a lot of volatility in the market and we decided to start off the year with our top picks. So getting straight into it, the first pick on my list is Ethereum. Now, as you guys know, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. So the first reason that I'm going with Ethereum is the prince that is waiting to overthrow Bitcoin and lay the foundation for a brand new form of internet. And here's why. The first reason I'm going with Ethereum is because of developer adoption. So this is very important. D-apps have been created. For example, Cardano and Polkadot being two examples of the projects coming out D-apps. Ethereum is developing this as well. Out of the top 100 tokens in coin market cap, 46% of them use Ethereum. A lot of giants in the gaming industry have been using Ethereum, like Ubisoft and Dutch bank ING. TD Ameritrade, a broker, has invested in IrisX, a CFTC regulated spot, which is on what its customers uses, and they can trade Ethereum. JP Morgan used Ethereum platform to launch digital USD. Amazon Web Services has made the Ethereum platform the new open blockchain standard after deciding to add it as an option for the Amazon managed blockchain. Microsoft Azure is also built on top of Ethereum. All the big players are using Ethereum's ecosystem, technology, and network. Now, another big reason to consider Ethereum for 2021 is that Ethereum is way too big of a project to fail. So if you combine the market cap of Ethereum tokens running on Ethereum, it would be $96 billion. Number one compared to any other project that is building ecosystems under their blockchain. Think about it as the mother of a lot of major projects.
Next up, we have Polkadot. Why am I so bullish on Polkadot? Well, it's easy. Prides itself on interoperability across all of crypto. Across every blockchain, their mission is to become interoperable. I believe the tokens that the projects, the platforms that aim to help each other and not overtake other projects are the ones that are going to be in the long run. I don't believe in, oh, this token, this project is going to overthrow Ethereum. This one, like for example, Cardano. A lot of Cardano maxis think it's going to overtake Ethereum, but I honestly do not think that. I think just because of the fact that it wants to more or less overtake Ethereum, it's not going to survive. That's just my opinion and my way of looking at things. Here we also have Hussein, who is extremely bullish on Polkadot.
Now, this has been getting a lot of hype in the crypto community, and this is not hype based on Fugazi. There are actual reasons why Polkadot is a sleeping giant, and it's the reason why it's top 10 in market cap. Now, Polkadot was created in 2016, so it's about 4 to 5 years old. That is very, very young, especially in the cryptocurrency space, which is also fairly new. So what is Polkadot? The simplest explanation of Polkadot cryptocurrency that I could find is that it is a network protocol that allows arbitrary data, not just tokens, to be transferred through blockchains. So how does it compare to Ethereum? Now, this is built on Ethereum's network, which goes back to why Ethereum is so valuable. Besides the point, this means that Polkadot is a true multi-chain application environment where things like cross-chain registers and cross-chain computation are possible. What that means is interoperability, everything working together. Now, is it secure? Polkadot can transfer this data across public, open, permissionless blockchains, as well as private permission blockchains. So it's extremely versatile. What are the advantages? This makes it possible to build applications that get allowed data from private blockchain and use it on a public blockchain, something you weren't able to do before. So for example, a school's private permissioned academic records a chain could send proof to a degree verification smart contract on a public chain for everybody to see. So we can get in more detail as to why and how everything works, and it can get very, very complicated. However, knowing that Polkadot is being adopted by the masses,
so many
technology.
They have like Sora chain, they have Polkastarter, they have a DEX. Bro, it's huge.
For Polkadot is going to be $10 very short term. It just hit $10 twice, and $50, then $100. After that, I am looking for $200 dot.
Okay, next up, guys, with our top picks, we have Aave. Aave, really simple rundown. It basically enables their users to borrow and lend money in a decentralized way. Now, what you do with that, up to you. Next up, guys, we have Filecoin. Really simple, guys. Just imagine iCloud, but in blockchain for crypto, you know? It's a decentralized storage network. Easy, guys. It is new. It is hitting major exchanges. As you can see, the market's here. It's already been on Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, the biggest exchanges, okay? This is Bullish. Next up, we have Energy Web Token, aka EWT. Now, this is a blockchain to help enterprise-grade apps in the energy sector. It has big partnerships. Also, a big fundamental aspect is that there's big investors involved, but big. I'm talking to you about Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett has heavy ties, not him directly, but his companies, which is basically Warren Buffett in this token, all right? This is Warren Buffett in crypto, guys. Come on now. We have Waves Tech, guys. This is a token that is under a lot of people's radar. It's similar to Ethereum in the way that anyone can build apps, decentralized applications, okay? This is big, guys, big. It's gonna be a really good investment for all of 2021. And when the money starts flowing into these other alts, this is gonna be a project that is gonna be on a lot of people's radar. Let me tell you that. It has a lot of partnerships. Next up, we have Shroom Finance and GameSwap. Guys, this is a project I have been heavily invested with. It is so freaking bullish. It is a micro cap. So a little bit about GameSwap. What are they trying to do? They are releasing a DEX, which is a decentralized exchange where users can trade and cash out in-game assets, okay? So let's give you a little sneak peek of that DEX. Of what I'm talking about. This is their vision. Okay, guys? This will essentially enable video game players to make money in a decentralized way. Guys, this is so bullish. This is so bullish. If they're able to tackle this billion-dollar industry, it's not even a billion. It's like a $10 billion industry. If they even get 1% of that, this is going to the moon, guys. Just look at this.
This is one of my personal favorites, and the name is VeChain. So VeChain is absolutely revolutionary, guys. Also new in the crypto space, just like Polkadot. Now, this is the world's leading blockchain application driven by enterprise adoption. So this is a blockchain service company that has supply chain management solutions for enterprise clients. So it brings infrastructure and blockchain technology together to help companies better understand the entire goods supply chain. So goods will have electronic tags such as QR codes that enable them to be tracked throughout the entire supply chain process. However, this tracking will be placed on the blockchain. This is a dual token ecosystem that has the native VET token as well as the VeThor token. So picture this, guys. Imagine you're getting chocolate from Switzerland and you want to make sure that the chocolate was shipped from Switzerland, was made, in that factory, so you're getting authentic chocolate. You'd be able to look at the QR code, see where it came from, see how they made it, where they made it, how long ago they made it, and see if it's actually authentic. So this is going to help against scammers, fraud, people trying to counterfeit items, people trying to make their own replicas, etc., and keep that authenticity. So imagine every single car's VIN number on a code through a blockchain. Imagine how many illegal activities and how much money we can save companies and enterprises. Imagine how many people would adopt a system like this. System like this can also be used for elections. This is super huge in the food industry as well. So, second reason is the market cap, guys. The market cap is number 26 to date, about $1.2 billion, and it's only about 2 cents a coin, which is extremely undervalued. Now, it's very eco-friendly. As you guys can see, we have automatic passport solutions, digital carbon ecosystem solutions through their technology, retail solutions, liquefied natural gas solutions. They're helping out the environment, which is what digital assets are meant to do. Pause. Now, partnerships. These are some of the companies that VeChain is partnered up with. As you guys can see, we have BMW adopting their technology, LVMH, and several other big companies that are going to step in. A little fun fact, they are under review to get adopted onto Coinbase. Pause. Talked about project with a lot of use cases, solutions, adoptions, and partnerships. The chart is also extremely bullish. My price prediction would be $1 and $5 as soon as it breaks that 22-cent all-time high. So if you guys are looking for 50x returns, VeChain would be a really good project for everybody to consider.
Next up, we have Unimex Finance. This basically enables users to put in margin trades on Uniswap. If you have ever used Uniswap, you know how bullish this project is.
All right, guys. Next pick is going to be Ripple, XRP being their currency. Now, a lot of people might think, why, Cryptic Hussein, why are you picking XRP when they just got sued? So, one of the reasons being is that it is the third largest crypto. It outperformed everybody in 2017, and it has real use cases. And a lot of big banks are using the network and technology of XRP. So it is one of the fastest cryptocurrency transaction speeds. It works with banks and has high liquidity solutions. It allows almost instant payments in between governments and in between big financial institutions. So imagine there's a problem in a country where the United States needs to send billions of dollars to a country overseas. If they were to do it traditionally, that would take them maybe 5 days a week, even months. But with XRP, we're able to do that instantly and very effectively with very, very low fees. Okay. Now, the reason I am so bullish on XRP is because of the price that we're at. We just had a major correction. We have a major support on the monthly time frame, all the higher time frames. We can put it up right now. And even if XRP is not used in the United States and the sue goes south, 95% of the transactions of XRP are global. So my targets are going to be $1, $5, $10, and $100. So Chainlink, last but not least, top 10 in market cap, one of the top performers in 2020. To summarize it, it is connecting cryptocurrencies together for complex smart contracts on any blockchain. So imagine a business wants to make a business transaction. Two different businesses want to make a transaction through Bitcoin. They would need to use Chainlink in order to send that complex smart contract safely and be able to make that transaction. It's working with with Aave, Syntex, Celius, Ampleforth. A lot of big institutions are looking into Chainlink, and a lot of big investors are using their technology. It is extremely secure and flexible. That's why a lot of people use this reliable network. It's tamper-proof. That is extremely important when it comes to smart contracts, guys, and it's completely transparent. Imagine eliminating fraud through contracts that are backed up by blockchain through a technology which is proven and time-tested at this point. This is the industry standard Oracle network. It expands the capability of smart contracts, just like Ethereum has smart contracts, but it allows you to access real-world data payments without sacrificing the security that you could have on bigger networks. So it's a lot safer. Yearn Finance is also peacefully asleep at night because they have shifted all their worries about oracles to Chainlink. So a lot of companies and projects are using Chainlink to store data safely without having any worries. Look at Google using Chainlink services to provide data from BigQuery crypto public data assets can reduce inefficiencies better than Ethereum, which is insane, guys. DeFi is adopting Chainlink insanely. The partnerships that Chainlink is making is absolutely revolutionary, guys. My price prediction for Chainlink is going to be $50, $100, $200, then $500 this year.